Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. We are doing a giveaway, but first, for my last giveaway, there was 2 giveaway last time, and one of the winners was Teresa, and I already sent her winnings out, and the other winner was Shelly, and I'm still waiting for a response from Shelly. If you're watching this, Shelly, I have commented on your comment on the previous giveaway, and I'm just waiting for you to contact me with your shipping info so I can send out your goodies. Okay, so we are doing a giveaway. This giveaway is for my US subscribers only, so please only apply if you live in America. And I know last time I said we're gonna do 2 giveaways each week, and we are, but I had a sudden trip to Thailand. That's why I've been gone for a while, but I am back and I am not planning to travel anywhere. However, I did take a lot of videos from my other channel, which I'm gonna leave a link down below. So if you're interested in my Thailand vlogs, travel videos, infos, you can check that out. So giveaway is very simple. If you're new, somewhere in the video I'm gonna ask you a question, and all you have to do is answer in the comments down below. That is because the YouTube random picker will select one of you. Oh, and the winner will be announced on this date. I always forget to put that on. Okay, on this date, make sure to come and check your notifications. If there's anything from me, you are welcome to participate in both giveaways. If you went twice, that's amazing. You get both of these things for free. It costs you absolutely nothing, so why not enter? If you want to increase your chances of winning, you can always ask your friends to enter for you. So for this week I have 2 giveaways, this one and the next one in the next video, and both stuff is gonna have something for Easter. So this one's for Easter, and I think this is kind of for Easter too, but I prefer this one. This one looks cuter. I like it when there's room to color. So yeah, very easy stuff. So I hope everyone had a good Christmas with good vibes, good food, good company. I was just at home with my mom. I made duck breast. That's my favorite. Okay, so this is something I received as a gift from one of my orders, and you can have it. They're washi, pieces of washies. That's pretty fast. Oh, this is cute. Yeah, I have a few of these that I don't need. Yeah, washies. Like a sample of washies. And of course, we're gonna have cutting dies, mushrooms. And I know Christmas is over, but you can keep this for next year. This one says, I know Christmas is over, but you can save this for next year. It says Winter Wonderland, and the wreath and the sentiment can be separated. I love it. It's so useful. I actually love using the wreaths. And the mushrooms are so cute. And then the last one, this one was from a big set, and then later I found that I had a duplicate of it, so I did cut it out. So just be careful, it's a little sharp on the edge. But this is flowers with a few sentiments. Congratulations, best wishes, happy birthday. And I totally forgot I did not ask a question, so here's my question. Oh, okay. Well, let's see. Do you believe in Santa? That's my question. Do you believe in Santa? Yes or no? Very simple. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and make sure that if you want to increase your chance, go and play the other giveaway as well, and good luck.